Hi guys, hope you're all well. Super quick video for you today. We have had this 2003 E85 BMW Z4 convertible in, and it's basically had the standard FM CD radio system fitted in there from factory. Some of them did have the CD changer in there, and some of them were connected or linked up to the Harman Kardon system, which I've worked on over the years, but this was very, very bog standard. No steering wheel controls, and the customer was fed up with listening to FM or CD. So he bought an aftermarket radio. It's a Chinese type head unit with a big screen. So it's a single DIN fitment, which is what we've got here. So that's a single DIN height. Richard has removed the factory radio, interacting with the what they call the quad lock at the back of the radio itself, and also taken on board the FM radio connector, because there's no digital radio on this aftermarket radio, and only because these days with Apple CarPlay you're using internet stations anyway, or digital stations. And once we have fitted a fitting kit, which Rich has had a great fun with today, getting that to work well with this particular chosen head unit, we've now got a great bit of technology in there for not a great deal of money. So we've also boosted the audio output, which is now 45 watts RMS per channel, which is going to give the factory speakers a bit of a kick up the backside, as well as offering wireless and wired Apple CarPlay as seen on the display. So jump inside and we'll show you what we've done. When you're working with a vehicle like this, you've got limited options. And the reason being is because, as I said earlier, we've got a single DIN fitment. That means that you were able to have one of the older fashioned motorized screens that then came out and went up, but they have died along with technology just because of the fact that they weren't very reliable, they were a little bit noisy, and when they failed, you then cost a lot of money to get repaired. So now this is the newer breed. It's not a brand that is even a brand, it's not even a product that we would normally supply and install, and because of where it's from and the price bracket, you can't even access or change the Apple CarPlay to UK right-hand drive. It's not really a big deal. It's got some great features on here. Richard's phone's already connected to the wireless Apple CarPlay, and you can already see what the vehicle came in with a simple single CD and FM player, to leave with this really nice screen to be able to use Google Maps, Apple Maps, WAZE, TomTom, whatever mapping or navigation system you want to use, alongside listening to Apple Music, Amazon Music, Spotify, or whatever you want to do, and so many other cool features as well. This is a really cool upgrade for an older car. Now this is a 3-litre petrol car. It's probably great fun to drive, but is now going to be even more fun knowing that the customer can go out on a nice summer's day and just be able to use the Apple CarPlay without having to listen to plenty of CDs banging around in the glove box. So this is a 2003 BMW Z4, it's the E85, and we have just transformed it from a single CD FM to this lovely 8-inch screen, I would have thought. Rich, 8-inch? 9-inch, so it's a 9-inch touchscreen to bring it into the 21st century. If you've got a car like this, don't forget and get in touch with us. I'm not going to run through any of these options just because we have only fitted this, we haven't supplied it. But website links in the bio just proves that it can be done, and it can be done correctly and professionally if you come and visit us. Please do get in touch, and thank you for watching.